Here at the home of Todd and Heather Wade, located in Bettendorf, Iowa, summer is over. Fall and winter are on the way. Just as the seasons change, the Wades are also looking to make a change in their air conditioning and heating needs.
There are a lot of extremes in Midwest weather, and so we want the house to be warm when we want it to be warm, we want it to be cool when we want it to be cool, and we really don't want to pay a lot for it on either side of that.
Well, a hybrid system got our attention because it offers so much. It offers us flexibility, it offers us efficiency, and it offers us savings. It also really will help us minimize our carbon footprint and allow us to hopefully make a positive impact on our environment, and it will last us for years to come.
Yeah.
With some new innovations in HVAC and heating units out there, the Wades have called upon local contractor Matt Hines to help them understand the best options for them and their home. Matt's expertise should help them with their decision.
So Todd and Heather, you guys are looking for a new system. Can you give me an idea of what you are looking for?
Sure. We have a furnace and an air conditioner, but we've been doing a lot of research, and we have some interest in maybe what a hybrid heat pump system would look like.
Do you know how a hybrid heat pump works?
No.
We don't, no.
It takes the place of an air conditioner. It does the heating and cooling both.
Oh.
Okay. You're going to run in cold weather until you get to a certain temperature outside. The gas will take over automatically. You won't even hear it take over.
Well, it sounds really great, but is there going to be a cost savings for us on a monthly basis? Are we going to see that in our utility bill?
Heather, you are going to see about a 40 to 50% savings.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my.
Wow.
That would be great.
That would be
Yes.
fantastic. I've heard that there might be incentives or rebates that would help offset the cost. Is that true?
That is true. The heat pumps come with a $2,000 tax credit from the federal government, and the furnace comes with a $600 tax credit from the federal government. So when you do your taxes at the end of the year, you give them the invoice, they'll get it off your taxes for you.
Oh, wow.
York also has a rebate of $425 for the furnace and heat pump.
That really adds up.
It does.
Yes, it
Wow.
does. We've been a York dealer for 20 years, and we've had excellent luck with them. York has a factory warranty. It comes with a 10-year parts and labor on everything.
Oh
wow.
my goodness.
Great.
That's amazing. Thanks so much for all of your help. We really appreciate it.
And thanks for having me.
After Matt's team installed the new system, he wanted to stop by to check on the Wades and see how they feel about their new York hybrid cooling and heating system.
Just stopped to check on you guys.
All right.
It's been 3 months since the system's been put in. How's everything working?
Amazing. It's been phenomenal.
Yeah, it's been everything you said it would be, and we're so happy with it.
Would you recommend Doug's Heating and York again?
Oh yes, very much so. I had some questions and we called and it was just so helpful.
Absolutely.
So knowledgeable, and they gave me answers I could understand, and so it was just
great.
excellent.
I appreciate it.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you, Matt.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
Enjoying the flexibility and reliability of their new HVAC system, the Wades can now enjoy any season indoors, knowing both their cooling and heating needs are handled. For more information, check out york.com or our website, designingspaces.tv.